Here's the original board for the Laser Harp. Doesn't work due to small traces for the input power, and for these two frequency chips do not work with controlling it with voltages. It needs change variable resistances, which is hard to simulate with pulse width modulation. So two boards were created on the Volterra. We have a sound board and a laser board. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the laser was dropped and broken, so an LED is in its place at the moment to show where it would be. It would be pulsing really fast, which cannot be seen due to the camera not being able to pick it up, but it's turning on and off fast enough so that multiple beams can be made with a motor with a mirror on it. This motor does work with the board, however, it draws too much power and interferes with the audio, so it is not plugged in at the moment. Due to the laser not working, 10 buttons have been used along with the resistor adder, which was originally included on the board down here. However, they were not oriented correctly or positioned correctly, and so one was created for the buttons and also used for multi-position switches, such as this 10-position switch and this 4-position switch. Here's the layout. Here's showing the motor spinning while connected to the board. It also does pull a little bit too much current, which restarts the board and plays throughout the speaker at the same time. Interference causing it so it not work together. For audio output, there is a single 1/4-inch mono jack, which switches from the attached speaker. The speaker is driven from an amplifier on the soundboard. This speaker does not work very well with this amplifier. However, this amplifier does work for external speakers. Here's the speaker, but it does play when I press the notes, and then when a 1/4-inch jack is plugged in, the note and sound will switch to the external speaker plugged in. Currently, due to some weird resistances, it does play without finger touching this resistor, but each button plays a note. Mitchell, can I have you hold that? So this big 10-position switch changes the key which it plays in. So that's a major key. And this is a natural minor scale. The other scales included are harmonic minor, melodic minor, Dorian, Mixolydian, Ava Raba, and a minor pentatonic blues scale. Here's the minor pentatonic blues scale. Also included are 2 potentiometers, which allow for 2 notes to be played at the same time. Each one changes the pitch. And change the potentiometer pitch. So that modulates one note, and then if you take the other potentiometer, you can modulate the other note. Then also included, can you hold this? Yep. Like that. It's 2 autoplay features. This one will play through every note possible right now. And the next one will go through some random chords. also is a 4-position switch, which is not implemented right now, but this one would allow for the modulation of waveform between sine, pulse, triangle, and sawtooth. There will be one for each channel, along with a tonal knob, which is adding some noise right now due to some ground loops. But this changes the tone a little bit through distortion. Quick little demo of a song on the Laser Harp.
That just happened.
Autoplay.
Jump into autoplay.